Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Look what I got here. Sportsman Paradise. Got the dive van. This is my aunt and uncle's work truck. The 3500 Chevy. This is their diving van that they use for their diving business. Yeah, Chevy 3500. My uncle's had to drive this ever since I posted the video of his white Sierra that was totaled in the accident. Someone ran the red light and hit him head on. Short little video I did. Let's get into this thing. See what we got. She's in pretty good shape. I mean, she's got a few bumps and bruises. There's one. Oh, yeah. This is... Well, shit, this ain't bad. Got vinyl seat bottoms, but cloth seat backs. Huh. Got power windows and locks. Power cruise. Yeah, it's got a few boo-boos. I bet this thing's got some miles. I have no clue. Huh. He used to have his logo on the side, but took it off. That was smart for, I'm sure, insurance reasons. Well, I guess the damn door don't work. Okay, so we got cargo. We got one row behind the front seats. I guess the sliding door doesn't work anymore. Well, hell, I can't get nothing to open. Who knows? Maybe it takes a separate key. I mean, we got some keys. But hell, all I want to do is go for a ride. Let's see, what year is this baby? Let's see. 04. Well, 1104, so it could be like an 05. Dude, he's got my damn tablet installed. What the hell, man? What is he, crazy? I've never been in this thing. This is a first for me. Oh, mama. What the hell? Holy crap. Oh, yeah.
Hi, it's Dan. My Aunt Parrot.
Oh my gosh. I don't know how you turn. Goodbye. 192,707 miles. Looks like we got a traction control light on. I think that's pretty common for these older GM trucks and vans. The StabiliTrak crap goes south. I'm just wondering if it's a 5.3 or a 4.8. With it being a 3500 series, I bet it's a 5.3. Let's see. Thought it'd say right here on this sticker. But it sure don't. And there ain't no stickers under here. I don't know what engine this is. It's so far up in there. So, well, we know it's gonna. We know it's a vortec. Come on. So it's either the 4.8 or 5.3. With it being a 3500 series chassis, I bet it's at least a 4.8. I mean, a 5.3, but hell, it could be a 6.0. We'll know. I'll know because I've driven enough of all three between all my work trucks and shit over the years. I'll be able to figure out which one it is. Alright. Let's go for a ride. The throttle response is feeling a little 6.0-ish. Oh, yeah, baby. I bet he misses his truck. Not that this thing drives bad or anything, but it's just a big ass van. I love this. This is awesome. Oh, freaking great. Got the big side tow mirrors. Yeah, I think this is a 6.0 because this thing feels heavy. I mean, this thing feels heavy. Drives pretty good though. Let's see if we got some AC. I'm sure we do. Just our rear view mirror to our yeah, man, this is awesome. Whoa, big truck. Okay, I'm filming with the new Samsung S20 Ultra. I hope the quality is okay. That's why I paid for this expensive phone, was to hopefully get some stabilization and some better quality video. So we'll see. Let's go up here and take this thing out on my little 0 to 60 route. Boy, she leans like a damn whale. Woo, woo, man. I'm sure she goes down the interstate pretty nice. You get her in the fast lane, locked on about 80, 85, and just hold her steady. Got a pretty tight front end, but I can tell this is definitely the 3500 series chassis for sure. It feels just like it. Holy shit. That's got to be the 6.0. It feels like the 6.0. I think this is the 6.0. I'm going to be quiet and we're just going to enjoy a little 65 mile per hour cruise in the 3500. What would this thing be called? Savannah? Chevy Savannah. crack in the windshield. Golly. Looks like it stops right at the rear view mirror, though. That's good. It's over there, not in your face. Oh, turn Big Mama around. Got ice cold air. Got the trailer tow package. Power windows and locks. Vinyl seat bottoms, but cloth backs. I bet he had those covered vinyl because it's a diving van. You got a wet ass all the time. Who wants to sit on a cloth with a wet ass? Old van drives really good to have 200,000 miles. Steering's tight. Yeah, she's a cruiser. Not too bad. Not too bad. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed our little ride in the Chevy 3500 Savannah cargo / passenger van. Again, filming with the new Samsung S20 Ultra. Gotta have to learn how to edit the video and upload it and do all that crap. So this is just gonna be a one take video until I can figure out some of those things. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everybody's being safe, practicing social distancing, staying home. Wash your damn hands, gargle with Listerine, all that shit that I'm doing to kill germs and keep things from getting in me and making me sick. I'm still going to work every day. We're busy as hell. We had the busiest week all year last week. It was unbelievable. I've got like 20 hours of overtime coming up.